Hey people, I'm back. Okay, yesterday I uploaded a video on YouTube of me making a wig done with the hot glue gun method. And then I said I was going to come back and let you guys see what the hair looks like. I think I did it a little bit, showed you guys a little bit yesterday, but yesterday I was feeling under the weather and today I don't completely feel that good, but I feel much better than I did yesterday. So what I'm going to do today is I just want to show you guys how it looks. Just running. That's some butter. Some of them got okay. I still haven't cooked. Look this. I don't know. This is the next best business, better than this, would be. Okay guys, this is the finished look of the glue gun method wig used, and I use the Amarie Hair Collection here. It's two bundles of 16 inches and a 16-inch closure, and it's the Brazilian loose wave. Yesterday my cell phone was ringing, now my home phone is ringing. Anyway, you guys, I hope you guys like this video, and if you haven't subscribed yet, look down below, subscribe.
Okay, guys, keep watching, and you will see how I install the wig that's coming right up right now.
Off that foam head. So I forgot to put plastic down, but look. Anyway, I cut the excess cap off, and I already plus the lace. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to use a super hose. I'm going to use my Got to Be glue. And I only have part of a cap because I only need the cap on where the closure is going to be. And I know this is not too neat. I was going to slow this down, but I'm not going to do all that. I'm just going to wait for this to turn clear. I have something so I can fan myself. You guys. Again, I didn't put any makeup on, but I'll put some on after I lay my edges down and put the wig on. It's kind of clear, it's not clear over here, so I'm going to wait for a hot second. You guys, my allergies, it's spring and my allergies start acting up already. And my eyes look puffy. Benadryl last night, and I'm still kind of groggy from it. That's why I don't like taking Benadryl like that, because you're sleepy like the whole day. What am I doing? I'm gonna have my blow dry right here. I can do like one more layer. Guys, I promise I'm gonna get this recording down perfect. Watch. Yeah, my husband's at work and I told him he was gonna have to record for me, but he got out of it because he's at work. That I have made with this Amarie hair. All this stuff you guys are seeing right now, you won't be seeing later on. I'm looking to the side because I have a mirror right here in front of me that seems to be easier. I didn't put the elastic band on yet. Gotta work fast with this foam, you guys, because it dries up. And let me decide if I want some dang on baby hairs. I doubt it. I don't know. I'll do something. Let me that's basically all you're gonna see anyway. Scarf on me because I can scarf super tight. Guys, I'm gonna leave this on for about 30 minutes. I could leave it on for less than that if I take the blow dryer to it, and I just might